Hey guys, it's me, Desi Arnaz, professional investor. And today I'm going to give you a little bit of tech training. And what I'm going to be showing you today is how to take some of my videos or other videos that you find on YouTube that you like about note investing, and how to take those and put them onto your own personal YouTube channel. And then you can then let people go to your YouTube channel to watch them, and therefore start to build your own following on your personal YouTube channel. You're going to curate other videos. You can obviously record your own videos for your YouTube channel, and you should. However, you don't have to wait until you have recorded videos before starting to send people to your YouTube channel. You're going to use something called playlists, and I'm going to show you how to set up a playlist today. And I'm going to show you how to populate that playlist with videos that you found helpful and that you think your visitors might find helpful in understanding the mortgage note investing space. All right, so let's get started. I will share my screen with you right now onto my YouTube channel. Okay, so right now I am sharing my screen. Let's see here. There we go. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, and I will also grab myself a little pointer here so that I can annotate and point along the way. So here's how this works. If you have a Gmail account, you automatically have a YouTube channel. Okay, you may not know that, but you do. If you don't have a Gmail account, then I need you to go ahead and go to YouTube and watch some videos on how to set up a Gmail account and then how to set up your YouTube channel. Okay, you need to do that first. But if you've already done that and you have a YouTube channel, here's how you get there. Right here that you can see on my screen, this is my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel is going to serve double duty today. It's going to be my channel and your channel in my example. So to start with, to find your YouTube channel, you go right here in the corner and you're going to see a little icon there. Mine happens to be a picture of me. So I click on that and it says your channel in the drop down. You click on your channel and it takes you right to your channel. As you can see, this is my channel. This were your channel, that's where you'd be looking at, and you probably have no videos there. So once you're at your channel, and let's just pretend this one is yours, okay? Then what you need to do is you need to choose Customize Channel right here. You choose Customize Channel. And under Customize Channel, you're going to choose Playlist. Because we're going to create a playlist and you're going to drop videos in there that you like, okay? So the way you're going to create your playlist, right here it says New Playlist. So you click on New Playlist and you give your playlist a name. Maybe you call it, to begin with, I suggest you have a really basic training that you offer to people, like Note Investing Basics, right? So maybe you set up a playlist called Note Investing Basics. Okay, so Note Investing Basics, and I choose Create. And so now I actually have a playlist. There are no videos in here. You can see there's no videos in this playlist yet, but we can add videos to this playlist. So here's how we add videos to this playlist. Now what you want to do is go out and find the videos that you like. So you just click on Home right here. That takes you back to YouTube, just basic YouTube. And now you just want to do a search for videos that you like. If you want to look at some of my videos, you just type in Desi Arnaz, A-R-N-A-Z, notes. Notes. You type that in and look at there. I'm the first search result. This is my channel, and you can click on my name right there, and that'll take you to my channel where you can see my videos. You see my videos by clicking right here. I have, I think, 72 videos or something like that. You click on videos right here, and in videos, you start watching some of my videos. For example, here's one on land trust. Here's one, what is an allonge? Here's one on joint ventures. Find something that you like. If you're talking about note investing basics, then you wouldn't want to talk about land trust and joint ventures just yet. That's kind of advanced stuff. But you can find some, like here's one, why note investing is better. Where to buy mortgage notes. I mean, that's really basic stuff. What is a performing note? That's really basic stuff. Now, you can take any one of those videos. I'm going to show you guys my most popular video. It's called Note Investing Introduction. Here it is right here. Okay, Introduction to Real Estate Note Investing. And I've had 26,000 views on that video. It's just under 9 minutes long. So here's all you need to do if you want to take this video and put it on your YouTube channel. Watch this, you're gonna like this. You literally just click on the title to my video. I'll turn the sound off. And underneath the video, there's a share link right here. I'm gonna click on share. And then you just click copy right here, okay? You click copy, and you can see it says down here in the left-hand corner, link copy to clipboard. So that's now on my clipboard. You can't see it, but it's there. So now what we do is you go back to your YouTube channel. Remember how we did that? You go over here, we click on the little icon or your picture or whatever you have there. And in the drop down, you choose your channel, which is your channel. Now, we're back to your channel. Pretend this is your channel, okay? Now remember, the last time we were at your channel, we created a playlist, right? So we're gonna go to customize channel once again, and we wanna find that playlist that we just created. So we're in customize channel, and then right here, we're gonna choose the playlist link right here, okay? And now we just need to find that particular playlist. Here's some playlists. These are not the ones we're looking for. So we just click right over here and you can see we can search for more. All right, search for more, view 3 more playlists. Okay, so in my case, I had to search over some, but here's the playlist right here. It's called Note Investing Basics. And right here, all we need to do with Note Investing Basics is just click on Note Investing Basics. Okay, and now that we're here, you see these little 3 dots right here? We'll click on this because this gives us a drop down where we can actually add a video. There you go. So we choose add a video. Remember, we copied the link to my clipboard. So now we want to paste that link here. That's called a URL, right? You click on the URL and then you put your mouse right in there and you paste that link. Voila! There it is. There's the video. And all you got to do is choose add video right here. Okay.
Hello and welcome.
That video is now added to your playlist. And you can repeat that process to add as many videos as you'd like to add into your playlist. Okay? Pretty cool, huh? So now that you have that in your playlist, here's what you need to do next. Now what you want to do is take the link from the playlist itself. Let's say you have 4 videos in there, right? Or whatever. And you take the list from the playlist itself. You take the link from the playlist itself, and that link is what you are going to share with someone. So I'm going to go back. I clicked on my face there, my icon thing. I just want to go back. Here we go. All right. So now that I have my playlist and I have my video in my playlist, now I'm just going to choose View Full Playlist. See right underneath the playlist? View Full Playlist. So when I click on that, you can see I've got 1 video in there. If I had multiple videos, it would be listed right down in here. Some of my playlists have 4 or 5 videos in them. And you would want to put more than just 1 video in here. Maybe you put this intro video in there, and then you put another video that you like in there that explains something, maybe the difference between notes and real estate investing or something like that. And I don't know, you decide what you want to put into the playlist. But once you have the playlist created, here's what you do. You go over here, and what you want to do now, you see this little share right here? This share. This is to share the playlist link. And you can see the word playlist is right in the link address. Just click on copied or copy, and you can see here it's been copied. And all you've got to do now is just open up your email, whatever that is. Like I use Gmail. So you open up your email and you just paste that link. See, this link again has the word playlist right in it. You paste that link into an email, create a subject line, send it to whoever you want to send it to. Maybe you were talking with your sister-in-law or brother-in-law and they were saying, I don't really understand this note thing. And you say, let me send you some videos that you can watch. You can send them this link. They can watch the videos that you think would help them. All right. And then you can follow up with them with a phone call and say, hey, so what did you guys think? Isn't that good stuff, guys? That's pretty cool. So you don't have to personally go out there and record all new videos. You can literally just use videos that you liked on the internet, videos that maybe impacted your decision to invest in mortgage notes when you were still looking around trying to make a decision. So that is it. That's all she wrote. So I hope you guys like that, and I hope you use it right away. God bless you.